Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to manually calibrate the cameras of the MX9 mobile mapping system using version 5.30 of the Trimble Business Center software. Before starting the camera calibration, you should have already created a TBC project, imported the mission data, and generated scans for the runs you intend to use for a camera calibration. To start the camera calibration procedure, navigate to Capture Devices in the Project Explorer. Right mouse click on the camera you want to calibrate, in this example, the 360-degree camera, and select Manual Camera Calibration from the menu. A Manual Camera Calibration dialog will then open. Select a position on the trajectory in the plan view to open an image at that location. The calibration values for the heading, pitch, and roll rotation angles can be manually modified in the Manual Camera Calibration dialog. In this example, there is a clear misalignment of the heading angle when overlaying the point cloud in the imagery. One option to adjust the calibration values is to simply enter new values in the heading, roll, and pitch fields. After entering a value, the view will update when another field is selected. Remember that rotation angles can be positive or negative. Another option to adjust the calibration values is to use the page up or page down keys on the computer keyboard to align the overlay. This option allows you to see the effect immediately in the view of the image and point cloud overlay. Additional functions to adjust calibration values can be found in the TBC reference manual. It is recommended that you review the edges of buildings and poles in the overlay at multiple locations throughout the run. Another good option, especially for the back-down camera, is to review the high-intensity road markings if they are visible in the imagery. It is also recommended that you check the new calibration values in multiple locations and runs of the mission. Remember that this same calibration workflow is used also for the other cameras on the MX9 system. In this example here, the front right planar camera. Once you are satisfied with the new camera calibration values, you can simply close the Manual Camera Calibration dialog and save your project. The new calibration values can be exported to a calibration file using the Export Mobile Mapping Calibration tool. This exported calibration file can then be used to update your MX9 system.